Hello, I'm Robert Dvorak. This is a field study demonstration, a small 4-inch by 5-inch painting that I did to prepare for a half-sheet watercolor looking north at Natural Bridges State Beach in Santa Cruz, California for my watercolor workshop there. It has been speeded up for you. So I'm going to bring my horizon down below the center line. So I have to be careful that this land shape does not come on in the middle of the painting here. That's the value of a field study. You can change things. And then this is going to be the land shape that's coming up in here. And here we go, that. And these fingers are coming out. And then the gazebo is up here, and I'm going to leave the building out, just put the gazebo here. Okay, so this is going to be basically a sky painting. So let's just start painting here. Well, I just use this one here. So I'm going to go right over the gazebo and everything. I don't remember there being so many flies here in the past. Must be the warm day. Well, it's still wet. I think I'll just leave that like that and then start painting in these fingers. Trying to do this very quickly. Get some green up in here. And the water. Kind of a blue-green. That's a wave. And these are waves. And some more white water. Come in here, get more blue. The water's really blue today down here. And then maybe one more here. Then I'm going to put some dark over here on the rocks. At the bottom of these rocks, it has to be really dark. There's a dark there. And then some nice dark up in here. And then I'm just going to put just a little bit of sand color on this part here, maybe here also. Closing this corner off. This is the entrance to the painting here. Now all I have to do is the gazebo, and we're finished with this. Okay, so the gazebo is kind of got very dark area like this. Using the point of the brush, have to be very careful. And then let's get to this part here, dark, and then gets some of these in. It's just a field study, so I can't be too fussy about it. Anyway, that's going to be my gazebo here. It's a little bit big on this field study. When I do the painting, I'm going to make it smaller. But that gives me an idea what colors I'm going to use, the order, the basic composition, the horizon line below the center line on this one, more on the bottom third, with these fingers coming out, and then some darker shadow areas down here. See, I don't want the viewer's eye to go off, so I try to do stuff to make the viewer stay over here. Okay, that's it. That is it. The actual study took about 12 minutes. Good painting to you all.